Ain't processing, got a runner.
There's actually someone there?
Yeah.
Hey.
Oh, he's hiding behind a building, that motherfucker. On my way. First
See,
person.
I didn't get a name on him though.
I didn't actually really see him, to be honest.
I saw him.
I see headlights. Hatchback Sport Outlander. SUV. You guys have an SUV?
Yeah, I have an SUV.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sir, come out.
That's how I slow down. I'm getting good at it.
I don't know where he's gone.
He was here though, right?
Oh yeah.
Oh, that's just my collision light. Oops. Thought I saw someone.
I didn't get a name
my
on him
God.
though.
I honestly did not see a vehicle.
Keep looking, he's gonna have to move. Look behind, go behind the Kirk processing.
I love that I can just fly like this. It's actually kind of ridiculous. I didn't even turn. That was me.
There's gotta be a
Oh.
car around here somewhere.
Can't see much from here.
I don't see a vehicle at all. Anywhere. He probably went to Rebel.
No, no vehicle took off.
Maybe he has a garage here and just stored the vehicle.
I need to talk to you, can you come Afira? Why do I feel like
Someone
this
texted
is...
you directly?
Yes.
Yeah, I don't see anyone from up here. What about you?
I'm gonna go to him, I need eyes on me when I
Okay.
go. Just go like 800 meters up.
What?
Go like 800 meters high.
800?
Yeah.
HQ, right? I'll go up to 800.
No,
Sure.
Afira Square.
Square? Oh god. Ah! Too sharp.
I see an off-road on the map, by the way. Near the hunting
radar's
grounds.
working. $800 meters. Fuck that.
That way you can't be spotted.
True. I'll just try to go up while I go forward.
I can't believe that guy got away.
Ah! Helicopter's turning on its own.
This has to be a kidnapping.
There we go, 700.
Well, who was it that messaged
Black
you?
dog kinda doesn't like me.
Yeah, he likes to lock people in his house.
If you look to in his
That's cool.
house,
You
just
ever
blow
been
it
to
up.
Psyop? You ever been to Psyop, Joel?
Can't see much.
Exactly. But we can see if you right click to zoom in. We'll just hover out here.
Water rank, APD, hands up.
We're going to 1
Hands up
kilometer.
over your head.
Alright? That plan. Let me know
Sir,
if
it
you
doesn't
need
appear you've got a
us to get
bounty.
closer. I can see from up here, but you sure can't.
Yeah, I know.
Just go over
Aim
here.
down.
2 counts of vehicular manslaughter and 3 counts of manslaughter.
I'll go lower.
Carson,
whatever.
did you bank the money I gave you?
Yeah, why?
I was just wondering. You
That
know,
better,
I just wanted to give you money. For some reason.
Can you see
I
Lily?
can't-
Can you explain your charges?
Can't aim down.
Yeah, I can explain. I
Let me know
was
when
on
you can see
the server number 1,
Too fast.
and this
I'm going
morning
negative 50 down. Oh god.
I got
Go
shot
off.
by a guy without warning, so I just freak out and I buy a
Can
gun.
you
and
see
kill
Lulu now?
everyone I see.
Whoa, rebels in a fury
Uh-oh.
Then I took out
with
my
pistols.
gun. I have a gun.
Rebels
Lower.
with pistols.
I'm about to
Hey,
get
excuse
kidnapped.
me, Mr. Lulu.
Yes.
Lower
I
us.
just got one thing to say. Allah Akbar!
Oh,
Oh.
no.
That
Nope,
that
was the
is
plan.